Playtime.
Hi. What are we gonna do today? Today we're gonna make our own bubble gum. All right. Are you excited?
Excited.
All right. All right, let's see what's inside the box. Uh-oh. So we get confectioner sugar. We get the gum base. We get grape flavor. And we get this clear. And then what's that? And we get cherry flavor and the little tray. So this is the little chewing gum kit we got from Amazon. It has the little instructions in the back. It's supposed to be emphasizing on rainforest rubber and how this gives gum its bounce. So we're gonna try to make our own chewing gum. All right. So these are the instructions. It says that we need to have an adult because we're gonna have to use heat. We need a rolling pin or bottle to use, and the first step is soften the corn syrup. All right, let's do that first. We need to put the corn syrup in very hot water. So this water is hot, and where's the corn syrup? So we're gonna put the corn syrup in the hot water, and then I'm gonna move this to somewhere else so Aaron won't accidentally knock it down. All right, ready?
Ready? Yeah.
Okay,
Ready.
so the first step is to put the gum base inside of the little black thing and microwave it for 1 minute. So we're gonna do that, huh, Aaron?
Huh?
We're gonna do that.
I do that.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna put half the sugar on top of the cutting board in a mound, just like that.
Wow.
All right, so this is how the gum base looks, and then we're just gonna add the corn syrup to this. There goes the corn syrup. Okay, so the gum is mixed here with the corn syrup, and then you put it on top of the confectioner sugar. So we're gonna do that. All right. So that's the next step. It's very sticky. Look at that, Aaron. That's the gum. So you just knead this like if it was dough with a rolling pin, but we don't have one, so we're gonna use this empty olive jar. Alright, so you knead it like dough, like this, and then you kind of flatten it, and then fold it, flatten it. And it says to divide into 2 parts, so we're gonna do that. Okay, stop. I don't know how you're filming. So you just keep mixing it. Just keep pulling it apart, it says, and mixing the sugar in there. Now this is very hard. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Oh, so cool.
You like it, Aaron?
Yeah, I
You
like it.
You like the
All right, so there you go. It just keeps mixing. It says to keep mixing it. Put it back in the microwave because it was too hard, so it can get a little bit softer. All right, Aaron, are you excited? This gum is almost ready to chew.
Yeah, too.
You want to try it?
Yes, I try it.
Let me just clean this up.
Me,
so
why
I'm gonna mix it like this. I'm gonna mix it like this. And then we'll cut it up and we'll taste it.
All right. You
All
want to taste
right.
it, Aaron?
You want to taste it?
Yeah,
Okay, let me
just-
go cut it.
All right, we're gonna.
Right, Aaron, are you excited? Here's our gum. Okay, so cherry and grape are mixed, so either way it's gonna taste good. So taste some. Let's see how it tastes.
Hey, Daddy, taste it.
Okay, me first, and then you try. Mmm.
Daddy, all right.
Daddy's turn. Now you.
Now, Aaron,
Okay, Daddy, look.
you have to chew it, baby.
You have to chew it. It's gum.
It's sad.
Yeah, try some.
No,
You don't like it?
no, I don't like it.
No, it's gum. What? It's candy.
Mmm, it's candy. It's yummy. It's gum. You don't want to taste it?
Maybe you want to make a bubble?
I can't make a bubble with this gum.
No, you want to make it. You want to make a bubble?
The gum is it's very difficult to chew. So it seems that the sugar and the flavor didn't really pick up very well in the gum. So it doesn't have much flavor, huh, Aaron? No, he doesn't want to try the gum. All right. Well, you don't have to taste it. So this gum is very messy. It's a very messy project, and Aaron didn't even want to taste it. The gum is very hard to chew and doesn't have much flavor. It's like the gum didn't retain any flavor, any of the sugar flavor.
Sugar!
Yeah, it has a little bit of flavor, but not that much. But it was fun, huh, Aaron? Did you have fun? Yeah. All right, so that's it.